Hi there, beautiful YouTube family. Are you guys seeing my face too much this week? Well, I'm on spring break. I am enjoying my break. And my $5 hat I want to show off. I think these hats, they probably get away with selling them for about $20 at the retail, but I found them somewhere for $5, so I bought a whole bunch of them. But anyway, here is my. You remember this that used to flower that looked like a candle? I wonder if it has yams in there. What is it? Arrowroots. I wonder if it has any fruits, any roots in there, right? I wanted to show you guys what I was talking about over the break. Yeah, yesterday, I guess. Today is a beautiful Tuesday morning. I'm trying to grow avocado. It's getting blurry. I don't know why it's looking so blurry in this, but I'm trying to grow avocado. So I put it in a jar, and you guys can see the roots. And I put it to sit up on top of the wall here. So this is my efforts at experimenting on plant growth. So I took the seed and I put it inside. And guys, I don't know if you guys can see because I'm using my phone camera. It's not the best camera, but I can see the leaves, I guess, form that are gonna pop out in there. So it cracked open after a while. I'm gonna put more water in here so that it touches the edge of the seed. And this is gardenia leaf. I don't know if you guys can see it's rooting. Oh, nice. Finally, these are a lot better roots than it had before. And when I buy those, what is it, green onions, scallions, or leeks, whatever you want to call them. They're not scallions. I guess they're the green onions or leeks. So when I chop off, I use the leaves, and I plant the roots, and they regrow. This is taking a little while to grow. These usually take 2 weeks, and I can recycle it and cook with it. And I probably could do that twice before it runs out. I wonder, there must be another way of getting it to keep regrowing forever, right? And these here, did it dry up again? It's drying up again. All right, so this I've had for a while. I had gone to a shop where I felt like they were too expensive. So I took a little tiny branch. It was just like 3 leaves. So it's been sitting there for months, growing, and you can see look at how much roots there are below it. So the other day I put in some rocks in there, so that because it was originally in this jar right here that's sitting in there with nothing inside. So it grew from there for over a month now, like 2-3 months. It grew. So I just put it outside the end of last week, I think on Friday or something. So it wouldn't sit in this open jar, so I had to put rocks to keep it down. I probably should put it back inside. It was doing a great job inside. Because it dries up so fast in this jar, what happens is you can see where the leaves started drying up. So I have to keep making sure that it has water in it, and it keeps rooting and rooting and rooting. I'll probably change the jar. But this is really nice. So this is my efforts to plant, and this morning I have been resisting from eating because I bought this. Publix has these plants where you buy one and you get one free, and the plants. So my mind, it's like the other day I was making a reaction yesterday, and I was looking at it to make sure I said everything right, and I uploaded it as is, but I said something about the racist or the colorist men putting down light-skinned women for the black ones, which was the opposite. And I'm like, I can't believe some of the things that I say. So anyway, as I was saying, Publix has a buy one get one free and sale every week. And yesterday I went there hoping that I would find the juices on sale, but instead I found intimate cakes, pastries on sale, and so I bought the pound cake. And yesterday I ate the entire crumb cake, which is not good. But nonetheless, I have the pound cake left, and this morning I was just tempted to have a piece of pound cake. And I watched yesterday, late at night, this doctor on YouTube saying, before you eat that carb, eat your vegetables first, to stop, to prevent, cardiovascular disease. So I ended up boiling some plantain, hoping that I will eat the plantain before I even try to attempt to have the cake, which is definitely not good for me. So the idea is have some plantain and green leaves, like what is it that they call those leaves? I don't know their names. I don't know the names of those leaves, but on top of those leaves whose names I don't know, spinach and broccoli is my attempt to breakfast this morning. So I'm at the plantains are boiling and the others are already steamed, so that I don't eat the cake, to avoid eating the cake. Oh my god, this is what you get for $5. I guess I can remove this. Remove it or fix it, but I'm not used to wearing hats. And this is all I had to say. So, ciao ciao.